In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix YouTube Premium not working for family members. So the first thing you can check is make sure everyone is connected to the same account. So if you go here to your profile on YouTube, make sure they're connected to this account. Now if this doesn't fix your issue, what you can do is go to settings and apps. So go to apps here and search for YouTube. Here you want to go to storage and then clear cache and then clear data. Now you don't have to worry because this won't delete any of your personal data. So you can try this and see if this fixes your issue. Now if this still doesn't fix your issue, then I can recommend it to remove your family members and try re-adding them again and see if that fixes your issue. And that's it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.